I'm Chris Martin, and I lead our solutions engineering team for Geotab across the Asia-Pacific region. Today I'm going to take you through some of our hardware solutions available for heavy transport fleets and talk to some of the technology behind those products. Here we have the Geotab Go 9 telematics device. This is our main device that's suitable for use in a variety of vehicles, including prime movers, rigid trucks, and also your light fleet. The device has a built-in GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, and cellular modem. In addition, because it connects direct to the vehicle's CAN bus, we're able to collect a wide variety of rich vehicle data, perhaps fuel consumption, fault codes, and all sorts of insights as to the performance of the vehicle. Next, I'm going to talk about the Go Rugged. The Go Rugged is an IP68 and 69K rated telematics device, perfect for applications in harsh environments in terms of water and dust ingress. Many applications might include excavators, lighting towers, trailers, and other such equipment. Now I'm going to talk about Go Anywhere. The Go Anywhere is a battery-powered asset tracking device, perfect for non-powered assets. It can be configured to ping multiple times a day or on movement. Installation is super easy, can be attached with strong magnets or bolted to a chassis. IOX-Iridium is a satellite modem add-on for the Go 9 device. It allows us to keep track of drivers even when they're outside of cellular. Our smart switching technology automatically detects when the vehicle leaves cellular and starts transmitting across the satellite network. Additionally, a duress button can be wired to the unit to allow drivers to notify their employer if they need assistance. Up next is Geotab's cold chain monitoring solution, IOX-COLE. With IOX-COLE, we're able to connect to a variety of refrigeration units and collect information from the system such as temperature and any fault codes. Additionally, with two-way communication, we're able to clear codes and modify set point temperatures. And finally, we have Geotab's in-cab driver solutions, including NFC reader for driver identification and GoTalk for spoken word alerts and driver coaching. Examples include harsh driving, speeding, and excessive idling. Thanks for watching. For more information or a demo, visit Geotab.